Hey guys, this is Jay the Wrap Specialist. Here I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery on this 2014 Volkswagen CC key fob. To start off, you're going to see that there's a button on this side on the left. Just press that button, and while you hold it down, just pull on the key to remove the key, put it on the side. So now what we have to do is remove this top gray piece. To remove that gray piece, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to press down on that button and then pretty much slide it up. To do that though, on this key, it's a little bit more difficult than on others. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press down on that, and I'm gonna use this plastic tool to press in between and press, pretty much press up on it. Okay, so now that I see that it slid up a little bit, I slide it to the left and then up. Once that comes off, we're gonna need to remove this top piece, this top cover, because the battery should be right around here. To do that, I'm gonna use another plastic tool, and I'm gonna slide that tool in between here, but not all the way in there, just a little bit, enough so that if I twist this tool towards the right, it should pop this piece up and I should be able to remove it. There we go, clicked a little bit. And it comes right off. When you remove that top piece, you'll see that the battery is right there. To remove the battery, what I use is this this tool here, and just press on the bottom. It has like a little area where this can go in, something pointy, and you just pretty much press up and it should slide out. Slide the new battery in. To put this, you just press down on it, it should click back in. Clicked on both sides. Now you get the gray piece. When you get the gray piece, you're gonna have to slide it towards the right side of the key. Once it clicks, it's in. And your key back in. And that should be it.